Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 16th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Looking at the Dow here, the Dow took off real strong today and pretty much more or less held that strength until 2, 3 hours to go, and then as you can see, it kind of sold off here, but it's still closed up 55 points. Again, it's just very strange movement for any stock and or market and I index whatever. But the Dow remains a very strange index for me right now. We had a kind of a strange day too. It was a mixed bag. Um, it started out bad. We had seven positions coming in, and we closed six of those out negatively, only two positive, and we saw our open trade from yesterday of $2,200 fall to negative 8,000 in closeout. Now that's nasty, $10,000 drop there, and it's typical what I've been complaining about. We hold overnight and things get worse. So up to that point, everything looked bad. However, we got into seven new positions, two positive, five negative. Again, that looks bad. The good part of this is, out of all this stuff that's happening today, we got into a potential high flying outlier, and as a result, we are carrying positive over $18,000 going into tomorrow. I'm going to show you that stock in a second. Let's look at what's been more typical for us lately, and this was our worst stock today, and this was ATER, which is a Tyrion, and I'm going to remind you that this stock just 3 days ago was one of these failed outliers that had gone from positive $22,000 at its high to positive only $5,000 on exit, a $17,000 drop, and a victim of the whack-a-moles. Um, I guess you could say maybe the whack-a-moles went at it again today. On yesterday, we bought this near the high of the day, and they just pushed it down all day long, and then pushed us under the bus on the open this morning, and that resulted in a $5,800 loss for us in Ethereum. So this is just more of the same. Now I'll show you what isn't more of the same. This is Prog, Prog, Progenity, and we bought Progenity yesterday, right out of the gate, 45 minutes in. Big gap up this morning. It moved all the way up here, up. It's up like 27,000 or something up there, and then it looked like it was going to do what Tyrion did, and then it caught itself down here and came back and actually tested that high on the last 15 minutes of the day, pulled back some, but not too bad. And on the close there, we're up 26,000 in Progenity. But what's even better in the aftermarket, this has broken this high and is at and above $30,000. So just maybe we got to wait till tomorrow, but maybe we're going to actually execute an outlier trade here. I sure hope so. We'll just have to wait till tomorrow. Anyway, so out of all the stuff we traded, the far majority of it is negative, and that's pretty typical. But we got at least an outlier trade going here, and that's pulling us up into positive territory for today and hopefully tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.